gentlemen, my name is Rodson D. Rivera, but I prefer to be called Sam. And I believe in the saying that the trait of being a good leader is not for the people to know you, but for you to know the people. I say so because a student leader shouldn't aim for fame, but rather you have to propose things in response to the needs of our ITAM students. Okay, if you were able to see my posters, I put there all my credentials. Oh, some of my credentials. But I consider my credentials not my edge in running for the position, but rather it is my experience and all the pressures that I have encountered during my term as the Vice President of Student Coordinating Council. You heard it, experience and pressure. Experience because through this I learned how to develop my skills and knowledge, while pressure, which is I am very thankful because it developed the whole me. Not only my skills and my knowledge, but the whole me. Okay, running for the position of student council is not that easy because you have to show them what you can do and conceal what you cannot do. Conceal because you have to stay strong and make yourself as a model because being part of the student council means representation of the college. Ang kailangan po natin ay yung kayang i-represent yung college. Gender doesn't have any bearing in my performance dahil ang basehan nga po natin dito ay performance. Kung kailangan po natin ng ganda, kahit pa paano meron naman ako. Okay. Proceeding to my platforms, I created it in relations to our motto. We care, we create, we connect. Okay. First, we care. I have the ITAM shout out. Dito po sasabihin natin lahat kung ano ang hinaing natin directly to the administrators. Hindi po namin siya na-push ngayon yung Student Congress, but I will change it to ITAM shout out, and I will make sure if I will make it, I will push it. Okay. Next one is I help ITAM, which I will help you loan if you cannot pay for your tuition. Take note, it is a loan, not a total package of free. You cannot. Next is iFlight or ITAM internship program. Ipupush ko pa rin po yan. Maghahanap po tayo ng mga deserving students kung saan pwede nyo maranasang mag-OJT abroad. And then next one is the create. Okay, I will make more ITAM forum and then career seminar, which lahat ng mga first year, i-experience nila kung talagang push through ba sila dun sa course nila. Kasi dito malalaman nila kung ano yung mga fields na pwede nilang pasukan. And lastly, the connect. I will make the year-end concert. Aside from the variety show, we will have the year-end concert, which is entitled Dos Decados Conciertos, because next year, it is our 20th year. Okay. This platform would not be possible, guys, if you will not vote me. So in this coming election, I am hoping for your full support. Once again, my name is Rodson D. Rivera, running as your ECE representative, saying that it's me, leveling up and still extending my passion for service. Thank you so much and good day.